Do you forget past and present tenses after summer break? 1 minute you're chilling on the beach, the next you're in the class thinking, was it I went or I have gone? Confused? Good, because today we're talking about grammar struggles. Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak English Fast. Let's be real. After summer break, your brain forgets everything except your Netflix password. Grammar gone. You try to say something simple like I have went to the park yesterday and boom, mistake. Let's fix that. The correct sentence is I went to the park yesterday. Past simple. Clean, clear, accurate. Here's a quick rule to remember. If it happened at a specific time, use past simple. Yesterday, last week, in 2020. Just use went, watched, visited. Simple. But after a long break, your brain says, what's grammar again? Next struggle, sentence structure. After weeks of texting LOL and BRB, writing full sentences feels like learning a new language. Here's what I mean. I was going to the store and I buy snacks and then I eat them. What? Let's rebuild that. I went to the store, bought snacks, and ate them. Much better. Now, let's level up. Ready? Past perfect versus present perfect. Let's do the two sentences. I had eaten lunch before I left. I have eaten lunch already. What's going on here? Past perfect is something that happened before another past event. Present perfect is something that happened recently and is still relevant now. Try this. I had finished my homework before dinner versus I have finished my homework so now I can play. Get the difference? Past perfect is the memory lane and present perfect is the current situation. Let's see what you have learned. Ready for a quick grammar test? Fill in the blank. I dash go to the museum yesterday. Is it have gone or went? Think fast. Answer, I went to the museum yesterday. Why? Because yesterday is a specific time. So we used past simple. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments. You know how most past tense verbs just add ed at the end? Like walk becomes walked and watch becomes watched? Simple. But then you get a verb like go. You don't say goed, you say went. That's an irregular verb. A word that does not follow the normal rules. After a long break, your brain sometimes tries to make all words regular, leading to common mistakes. I drank all the juice. They eat it lunch. Oh, that's wrong. Let's fix those. I drank is incorrect. The correct way to say is I drank. They eat it, they ate. She run, she ran. Remembering these can be tricky, so don't just stare at the list, use them in funny sentences. I drove my imaginary car to the moon yesterday. Or, my dog ate my homework again. Focus on a few irregular verbs each day to keep your grammar muscles strong. It's all about practice. Now, this one really hurts. Phrasal verbs. Look at, look after, look for. They sound the same, but mean totally different things. Let's break it down. I looked at the book. Just saw it. I looked after the baby. Took care of it. I looked for my phone. Tried to find it. Crazy, right? So don't memorize them. Use them in real life. Write funny examples. Create real situations. That's how you remember them for good. Let's pause. Why do we even forget grammar after summer? Here's the truth. Your brain loves being lazy. No school equals to no practice, which results in your grammar muscle going weak. It's like skipping the gym for 2 months and then wondering why can't you lift anything? The fix? Daily practice. Even 5 minutes a day will help you to get your grammar sharp again. So, what did we learn today? Use past simple for clear past events. Keep one tense per sentence. Understand when to use had versus have. Be careful with phrasal verbs and irregular verbs. And practice every day. Here's your challenge. Write one sentence using past perfect in the comments. Go ahead. I will be checking. That's it for today, Grammar Warriors. If this video helped you, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and tap the bell notification for more English tips.